If you're interested in upgrading to a paid plan on Framer, make sure to use the link in the description. You can also enter the promo code PARTNER25 Pro Yearly to get 25% off and enjoy 3 months for free. So, if you're looking to enhance your Framer experience, take advantage of that offer. To add text in Framer, click the T icon or text icon. After clicking that, select the board to create a text. You can type anything you want to type, but in this case, I'm going to type hi everyone. And then you can also resize and decrease the size if you'd like to. You can also rotate it. You can move it, and you can also change the font and the font color. You can also adjust the capacity of your text and many more. And that's it. That's how you add text in Framer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.